So you want to live your life on your own terms. You want to retire early. You want to achieve financial freedom. You want to take that dream vacation to that dream destination. But you know that your paycheck won't get you there. Look no further than this channel though. You know that I am on your team. In this video, I share with you some online writing job opportunities so that you can make yourself some extra money today. Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Nyiko. I am all things personal finance and entrepreneurship. So if this is the type of content that you would like to see more of, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, let's get into it. Living in the 21st century has become more expensive than ever before in time. So drastically has the cost of living increased that people are even deciding to have less and less children. In the past couple of decades, we've seen single income families be forced to become two income families, and still we've had to reduce the amount of children that we have so that we can survive. And even then, we find it so hard to thrive. If you're a frequent visitor of this channel, then you'll know that saving and budgeting are things that I talk about quite frequently. For those of you who've already mastered these two financial skills, you may be looking at paying off all of your debt. These are all crucial elements that you'll need to bed down if you want to achieve financial freedom at an age that is in any way remarkable. Thankfully, the 21st century has not only brought us its woes, but also a number of solutions, ideas, ways that you can make extra money, all in the convenience of your own home and all online. Anyone who's a regular on this channel knows that I am a massive proponent of saving, budgeting, and minimalism. All if it is in the effort of freeing up your time, freeing up your money, freeing up your energy that you can spend it on building up multiple streams of income and building up especially passive income. If you haven't already, please check out my video, Types of Income Properly Defined, Passive Income Redefined. So yes, live frugally, but also learn to make more money. When I don't have enough money, my knee-jerk reaction is to think to myself, how can I make more money? Saving and creating a tighter budget, I must admit, are an afterthought. This type of thinking, this type of worldview, I must admit, has been nothing short of liberating for my mind and, much more importantly, for my finances. It is now super easy for you to make yourself some extra money. Online freelance jobs have become an easy side hustle for people who want to make extra money to be able to convert their skills or their time into extra income. I have decided to compile a short list of companies that you can add to your portfolio of online side hustles. I have arranged them all according to type for your convenience. So if there's something that you prefer, you can head on over to that so that you can figure out how you can make extra money online doing what you're good at or what you like to do. I have also arranged them in alphabetical order for ease of browsing. If you haven't already, please smash that like button, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, let's talk about writing gigs. First up, we have Cloudpeeps. Cloudpeeps is a platform that allows freelancers and clients to work together on various projects. Marketing, content, copyright, SEO, strategy, whatever is related to digital marketing. Cloudpeeps is for more experienced marketers. Next up, we have Freelance Marketing Gigs. Freelance Marketing Gigs is the perfect site for anybody who loves to write. It has global reach and the ability to offer you freelance opportunities if you like to write, edit, blog, or publish. Next up, we have Get a Slogan. Get a Slogan allows you to come up with slogans for businesses, ads, and campaigns. You basically submit your ideas, and if your idea wins, then you get paid. Next up we have Naming Force. Naming Force pays you up to $500 for helping companies come up with creative names. This is achieved by way of these companies running contests. Unfortunately, for the moment, Naming Force is only available for US residents. Next up we have Media Bistro. Media Bistro is an online job board that connects writers, editors, and journalists to acclaimed magazines and publications. You can join the site for free or pay an annual subscription of about $45. The annual subscription offers you the benefit of supplementary benefits such as tips on how to pitch to national magazines. Unfortunately, most of the work available on this site is only available for people that reside in the US. Next up we have Pro Blogger Jobs. Pro Blogger Jobs is an online job board that connects bloggers with potential opportunities. This site seeks mainly to connect bloggers with job opportunities. But if you are another type of writer, it may still be worth your while to check the site out. Up next we have Squad Help. Squad Help is another crowdsourcing marketplace where creatives can find jobs. You can find freelance jobs here for coining company names, taglines and slogans, business logos, viral marketing materials, and other creative type jobs. Their process includes taking part in competitions that are posted on their site. Associates and competitors contend against one another to get the marketing or branding gig. The client in question will then choose their winner. The winner of the competition will be paid a pre-arranged amount. This site is open to everyone. Next up we have Slogan Slingers. Slogan Slingers is a site that allows you to earn up to $999 per gig. You can do this by winning a competition and coming up with the best slogan or tagline. This site does not have any minimum requirements per se, so you are welcome to join today. Next up we have Text Broker. Text Broker makes available to you various freelance opportunities. Text Broker pays you according to the quality of your work, which then places you into a ranking and thus a pay grade. This is not fixed though. You can work your way up the ranks. Unfortunately, membership is currently restricted to people residing in the US. So, what are my final thoughts? If you like to create multiple streams of income, please smash that like button. I need to know if there are other people out there just like me. While all of these websites offer you the opportunity to make extra money, you need to remember that at the end of the day, these sites are all businesses themselves, more specifically, brokers. Their first obligation is to their clients. This is who they will focus on creating better value for. This may be at the expense of you, a disposable contractor. The more contractors they have, the more this will be the case, because there will always be someone who's a little more desperate than you that is willing to do it at a lower price than you are. This doesn't take away from the fact though that actively trying to increase your streams of income is far more effective than saving and budgeting and hoping for the best. It puts you in a position where your desire for more out of your life does not disempower you, but instead drives you to action, empowers you. Freelancing, however, can create a unique problem. You would still have to depend on being accepted by each of these companies, wait for work to be available, be paid at a rate determined by the broker who wants to remain competitive for their clients. This may not always be commensurate with your level of skill, standard of delivery, amount of time that you've put in. I'm just saying this in the spirit of full disclosure. If you are actually actively trying to increase your income, you are 10 steps ahead of most of the population. The more you do this, the more creative you will become in finding more ways to make yourself even more money. My favorite way to make money online. Hey, if you have found this video to be useful, please let me know in the comments. Also, if there is a sweet gig that I perhaps don't know about or didn't list in this video, please let me know in the comments. It is not all doom and gloom though. There is a better way to make money online. This way has several critical advantages over these freelance opportunities. It puts the power in your hands. There is no limit to the amount of money that you can make. There is meritocracy. If you work hard, you get paid hard. If you are good at what you do, you get paid accordingly. You get to work 100% online if this is what you choose to do. It does not take a lot of money to get started. You can literally turn your passion into a career. Starting my blog and starting this YouTube channel has been one of the best decisions that I ever made for my career and, more importantly, for my finances. Much more than both of these considerations, it has been the best decision for my quality of life. I've literally never been more happy in my vocation. You can find out more about why I say this by checking out my video, Why I Became a YouTuber, and also how you can start your blog today. Don't know much about how blogs make money? You can check out my video, How to Make Money Blogging. Start to chart your own path to living life on your own terms and achieving financial freedom by starting your blog or a YouTube channel. If you're still waiting to try figure out how best you can start to make money online on your own terms, these side hustles that we spoke about in this video are a perfect start to keep you busy and keep you making money in the meantime. As I said, your mind will open up in terms of how you can make more money the longer you do this. Trust me, I have tried. I do both, running my blog, running this channel, as well as freelancing. But I think you can tell by now that my focus is this channel. I do understand though that this requires a lot more creativity, work ethic, and resilience. And it's probably not for everyone, I'll admit. But in making this admission, I also have to confess to you that it took a very long time, literally years, for me to come around to the idea of having my own YouTube channel. Said differently, if this idea seems wild or far-fetched to you, this can change. Trust me, I'm living proof. If freelancing is more your thing, that's okay. Good on you. Keep doing that, as long as you're actively taking control of your financial destiny. This state of mind, having an internal locus of control, taking your destiny by the horns, this is the most important facet that you will need to achieve financial freedom. So whatever shape or form it takes, keep doing that. So this is the end of the video. If you've been watching up to thus far, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. It takes a lot of time, money, and effort to be able to deliver these videos to you consistently. So thank you. If you haven't already, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time a new video comes out. All of the best with taking control of your financial destiny. Have a good day. Cheers. So I've been running my financial planning practice for about 8 years now. So I've been thoroughly exposed to all the methods that work and all the methods that don't work. And as an extension of this YouTube channel, I've also now started to consult one-on-one, helping you with wealth coaching. We talk everything from credit, how to speak to your banks, buying cars, property investment, everything you need to know so that you can achieve financial freedom successfully. If you want to get in touch and schedule a consultation, contact me via the email provided in the description.